First, go to the tab you want to share. Click the small downward arrow on the tab, then choose Copy to New Spreadsheet. This creates a separate spreadsheet containing only that tab. Open the new file, and now you can share just that one tab with others. Keep in mind, the original spreadsheet and the copied one are not linked. Changes in one will not update the other. If you do want the data to stay updated automatically, edit the copied sheet and use the function equals import range underscore URL of the original spreadsheet. Put the original file's URL inside quotes. For the range, include the sheet name, an exclamation point, and the full range you want. You may be prompted to allow access. Now, any changes made in the original sheet will appear in the second sheet. However, the imported data in the new sheet cannot be edited. For example, deleting a value in the original will remove it in the imported version too. If your goal is to let someone view the data without being able to change it, you can also protect the sheet. By restricting editing permissions, you can keep the data safe while still sharing it with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.